Got deja vu when I saw you at a table at a road spa set for two. I got deja vu when I saw you at a table at a road spa set for two.
For my brows, I'm using this eyebrow gel from e.l.f. in the shade medium, and I'm using a small brush from Real Techniques.
To you, but I'll be fine.
I'm starting off by drawing like 2 lines, one over and under my brows, and kind of create how thick I want my brows to look. And then I start just adding the colors in between the lines and carefully blend that out. Also, I'm drawing some hair in the very front of my eyebrows, so it looks a little bit natural and a little bit messy, kind of.
Remember how good it felt. Now I see him in your pictures and it gets me overwhelmed. But if you ask me how I'm doing, I would say I'm doing well. I'm doing well. But I'd be lying. It might take a little time, but I'll say I'm doing fine. That's what I'd say to my friends, but they'll know I'm not alright. Cause I saw forever.
For last, I'm taking a powder, this just a random powder, on my brows to make it a little bit lighter color and a little bit more natural looking.
Out of time. Think it's out.
For eyelashes, I'm starting off by applying some mascara. This one is from Maybelline.
When I fell for you, I never planned on landing. But I'll pretend I'm good till I'm the last man standing. I'll say I'm fine. I'll say I'm fine.
And then I apply my false lashes that are from Ardell. I can link those down below because I have no idea what they're called. But when you apply lashes, rather wait a little bit or a few extra minutes or seconds than applying them right away because you will get glue in your eye, so that's a tip.
I think it's out of time. It's out of time.
And now I'm done with this video, guys. I'm sorry it was kind of short and sometimes it was out of focus, but I hope you liked it. Don't forget to subscribe and I see you in my next video.
I got deja vu when I saw you at a table.